Wait, how do you say it? How do you say it? Oh, look. We got the whole tequila truck right here. Oh, that's crazy. Free tequila? Free tequila? Oh, my look. It's Milagro. Milagro. Okay, I'll take one. Hold on, let me grab this real quick. Sorry. Oh, you're so nice. You're the best. You want a free shot of tequila right here? What? Milagro, let's go. He's gonna get one. There you go. Grab one, brother, grab one.
Here's the hydration.
Cheers. Hydrate, brother. Cheers.
And no drinking and driving.
Yeah.
Refreshing.
Let's go,
by it. We're the new spokesman.
Exactly.
We're the new spokesman.
Come on, Milagro. Hook us up, man. We need all.
Hey, listen, opening day Marlins. Look out for a brother, man. We'll bring these cups. We'll recycle.
Let's go, bro.
All right,
have
man.
a good day. Yes, sir. You don't need to buy nothing out here in Calle Ocho. Everything for free out here. Cheers. Get that black sausage. What's going on, my friends? We are out here in the legendary Calle Ocho, the legendary festival, carnival, Latino carnival in Miami. This spot is legendary. We're on the street right now. We got people walking all over the street. We're gonna, I'm gonna show you around. We're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna show you around. I'm gonna show you the food. It's looking good out here. Oh, what we got here? What is this? What is this? What is this, brother? What is this? Barache?
Empanadas chilenas.
Ah, Chile empanadas. Oh, what do you got, like chicken?
Yeah, right. Chicken and beef and
Chicken, beef?
cheese.
Let me try a chicken. Let me try a chicken one. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, my friends. Wow, they look good. They're not fried. No fried. They're healthy? It's healthy? Oh my God.
That's chicken.
Thank you, thank you. All right, my first time eating a Chilean empanada.
Right.
Empanada de
English meat pie.
English meat pie. I'm gonna take one bite real quick. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's fresh. Oh my God. It's so light, but the inside tastes amazing.
I love puteria.
Hey, they cool, they cool. What's it for though? What's it for, by the way?
What?
What's it for?
What's it for?
Yeah.
Puteria, having fun, getting lit. What's up? We
That's good.
outside, Miami 305.
I like it. I love it.
Have a great day.
That was cool as fuck. Let's get it. Okay, so she gave me like a chile salsa. What is it?
Pebre.
Pebre?
Pebre, yeah.
Oh, what's in it?
It's like a hot sauce.
It's like a hot sauce? Let me put a little bit on there. Put like this. Put like this. Chile empanada. Look at the inside. Oh, that's fresh on the inside. So much flavor. Oh, that sauce makes it even better. That sauce, what's the name? What's the name? Sabores Chilenos in Miami.
Yeah, Miami.
Sabores Chilenos in Miami. Check them out. Really good. Hey, how y'all think I look? How do you think I look with my new hat? I don't think this one's good on me. I don't think this one's good on me. Nah, it's cool though. They got a lot of ass. There it is. Man, they got a massive stage right in the middle. Check it. Check this stage out.
Vamos a hacer una segunda prueba. ¿Cómo están?
Pero yo vengo del guero, ando con el loco que empezamos desde cero.
Well, they got the TV show going on up there. They're shooting something. Permiso, amor. That's what she said. That's how they talk to you over there. Permiso, mi amor. I like that. That's how you supposed to talk to you. Big bus. Oh, they got the street camera. They got the camera watching the whole street right there. Calle Ocho's a vibe, man. Listen, if you guys want to have fun for the day, if you ever get the chance, come to Calle Ocho Miami, man. It's a vibe out here, man. I'm telling you, everybody in the street having a good time. Oh, sorry, well, hey, what's going on, man? I like your shades.
I know.
Hey, you got good shades. Yeah, that's how we do it, baby. That's how we do it out here, man. You gotta have the proper eye gear. Really? Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing? Hey, Calle Ocho, baby. Calle Ocho. Everybody having fun. I'm gonna find some more food. I'm gonna find some more drinks. We're having a good time out here. Hey, she handing Monster out like crack. She handing Monster. Oh my God. Hey, she just handed out like 50 Monsters in 1 second. Let's go. Let's go. I'm good. That's love, though. Free Monster on that, baby. All the Monster you could want right here. All the Monster you could ever want. And they just grab it. Look. Which one you want? Nice. Let's go. You ain't gotta buy. You don't even have to buy drinks out here. You don't even have to buy drinks. They got free drinks. All these people are handing out free drinks, sponsorships, everything like that. Oh shit! This one, you know they got good barbecue, baby. Oh my God! Oh my Lord!
Yes, sir.
We in 4K. We caught it in 4K, baby. What's the name, brother?
Mark.
Mark?
Yeah.
This you right here? You got your own restaurant or?
No, my chef right over here.
Let's get it.
Yes.
My brother, that's a little fire. I'm gonna have to grab some.
Alright,
I'm gonna have to grab some. Oh, she handing it out. She handing out what? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Alright, check it out.
That fire. That fire. Oh, that good got good flavor on it.
This one here?
Man. Hey, we just vibing out here, man. Listen, Calle Ocho. Oh, what's good, my boy? Hey, you already know who we got. We got Kale in the video, KO. What's up, my boy? Good to meet you, brother. King. Hey, this you an artist?
Yeah.
Okay.
King T, aka Theo Dior.
Yeah, doing his thing.
You can find me on all major platforms.
Okay.
King T Space G5.
Let's get. Hey, you in good hands right here with my brother KO. You in good hands right here with my brother KO right here.
Yep.
Let's get it.
You can call him KO.
Yeah, I had to change the name, dog.
Yeah, you didn't like
Kale
that,
money
bro.
chip wasn't doing it for me, but I'm talking about the chip, the casino chip.
Yeah.
Kale chip, the casino chip, hey. But it's KO, it's my boy KO. Let's get it, we out here, baby. Calle Ocho. Let's get it fun. You performing?
I already performed.
Oh, you already
Yeah, it was
performed? How was
lit,
it, bro?
man. We rocked the stage, you know, shook the room, dropped a little spirit bomb on them.
Let's go.
Now y'all feel me, you heard? That's a fact. We
Hey.
outside.
Hey, listen, one thing I know, you gotta put it out into the universe.
Yeah.
You put it out into the universe
Yeah.
enough, like I do with the Travel Channel.
And then, hey, you know what they do? The frequencies ripple through the universe and the rest of y'all feel it. That's what happens.
Exactly. You know what my channel's called?
What is it called?
Manifest More Travel.
Hey,
Let's get it, baby.
hey, energy don't lie, testify every time. That's a fact.
Hey, good to meet you, brother. We gotta do something. We gotta do something crazy.
That's a fact.
I wanna make a GTA 6 trailer.
Oh,
I'm
word.
gonna reenact the GTA 6 trailer.
Oh, that's
I'm
right.
gonna need you.
Okay,
I'm gonna need you. We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Hey, this is not fashion right here. This the real deal right here. Got the plates in there.
Look, the grill, baby. Yeah.
You got the plates.
Not a joke.
Have you ever seen a truck like this? Full of whiskey? It's a Colombian hot dog right here. Hey, you guys heard her? It's all about having fun, living life out here in Miami. Good vibes out here, man. Good vibes. Let's go. We still got a whole day ahead of us. Ooh, that might be good. That might be good. Woo. What do you got here? What do you guys have here? What is this? Am I in heaven? This is my favorite water. I didn't know this place was here. Wow. What? Yeah, I'll try some. Can I try? I never tried the tangerine. That looks fire. Tangerine Topo Chico. Let's see that bottle real quick. I didn't even know that flavor. I haven't seen that flavor with ginger.
Yeah.
With ginger. Okay, we got ginger, tangerine, Topo Chico.
Cheers.
Fresh. Tastes good. I need one to go. You got one to go? I'm dying. Oh my God. She's like an angel out here. And you got an extra one for my thank you, I appreciate you. Wow, Topo Chico. Thank you, I appreciate you. Let's go. Topo Chico, baby. Hey, they got a cool setup here too. Oh, they got a little van to sit in. Can I go in here? What the? Oh, let's go. This is where you take a little seat. Chilling in the Topo Chico van, baby. I need a little break. That's a nice break. Yeah. It's getting lit out here. Look at the streets. The street is packed, I'm telling you. Look at these streets right here. Still good vibes though, man. Listen, they got the big stages over there with all the music. They got food everywhere. Like, probably gonna eat my brains out, right? Everybody's in dope outfits, so we're just having a good time, man. We're probably gonna go to South Beach right now. It's spring break on South Beach. I got a nice hotel on South Beach, and that's it. Let's keep it moving.